students. Now I am teaching 10th class quadratic equation. No? Okay. So what the question? Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So find the two numbers. So here we don't know that two numbers. Let us take the two numbers are x and y. Okay. So let us take x and y are two numbers. So what they given that whose sum is 27. So the sum of two numbers is how much more? 27. So given the sum of two numbers is 27. So that is x plus y is equal to 27. Okay. So next, what they given that product of two numbers. Product of two numbers is 182. That is x into y is equal to 182. Okay. Let us take it is the equation 1. So from equation 1, plus y is going to right side order and minus. Or plus x is going to right side order minus. So here from equation 1 you can write as y is equal to 27 minus x. So the y value you can substitute the product of two numbers. Okay, so y value substitute in x into y is equal to 182. Okay, x into y no, x into y. That is y value is how much? 27 minus x is equal to 182. X into 27, 27x, x into x square is equal to 182. This two term is going to result up and minus. Okay, so minus plus no. So 0 is equal 182 plus x square plus 27x minus 27x. So we can write in order form, that is x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal 0. Okay, so it is non-algebraic identity expression. So x square quotient is how much? 1. Constant is how much? 182. So 1 into 182, 182 more. So now what are the factors of 182? 1, 82 jump. Next to 91 jump. To 91 jump. So it is not even with 3 mark. So next 4, 4 jump. 4, 8 jump. Oh, wrong. 7 mark. 7 2 jump. 6 jump. 7 2 jump. 6 jump. Next 13. 13 1 jump. 13 4 jump. 13 1 jump. 13 4 jump. So these are the factors. In these factors, we take any two factors, their sum or subtraction it become x quotient. So here what is the x quotient? 27. So minus 13 minus 14, how much ma? Minus 27. Okay, 13 into 14, how much? 182. Minus 13 into minus 14, how much? Plus 182. Okay, so here we can write as x square minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 is equal to 0. Okay, in this two what the common? X. X of x minus 13 next minus 14 of x minus 13 is equal to 0. Okay, so next x minus 13 of x minus 14 is equal to 0. So the product of two polynomials is 0. First polynomial is 0 or second polynomial is 0. So or both. So x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to 13. X minus 14 is equal to 0. X is equal to 14. Okay, so if you take x, x is equal to 13, then y is equal to 27 minus 13, that is equal to 14. If you take x is equal to 14, then y is equal to 27 minus 14 is equal to 13. Y is equal to 13. Okay, these are the solution. These are the two numbers of given question. plus 2. Find 2 conjugative. Conjugative means the numbers are arranged in order, either by increasing or decreasing. So conjugative 2 means it is a order. What, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and so on. Yeah, these are the conjugative even numbers. So how much it is increasing? 2. For suppose 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and so on. Here how much it is increasing? 5, 5, 5, 5. These all are called conjugative multiples of 5. Conjugative means the numbers are arranged in an order, either by increasing or decreasing by constant term. So conjugative positive integers, sum of whose square, whose means conjugative positive integers, is 613. Here they given that 2 conjugative positive integer. Okay, so here which integer we don't know that, let us take that is x. Its next conjugative integer is what? X plus 1. So for suppose they given in the question, find 2 conjugative positive odd integers. For suppose they given that positive odd integers, then x plus 2. X is a odd integer. Next its conjugative odd integer what? X plus 2. So here they given that conjugative positive integers. Okay. So let us take x plus 1 or x plus 1 or conjugative positive integers. So what they given? Whose squares, sum of whose squares, that is, okay, sum of squares is how much? 613. That is x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal 613. Okay, sum of these 2 conjugative positive integer squares. So x square plus 1 whole square. So here which formula can you use? A plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square form is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so that formula can apply here. Then x square plus here. Here a is the what? X, b is the what? 1. Okay, so a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab. Okay, plus b square, that is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal 613. Okay, so 613 comes out of any minus. So x square plus x square, how much more? 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 613 is equal 0. So minus 613 plus 1, how much? 612. So 2x square plus 2x minus 612 is equal 0. So here 2x square means what? 2 into x square. 2x means what? 2 into x. 612. How they can write? Here the last digit is how much more? 2. That means this number is multiples of 2. 2 into 306. So 2 of x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Okay, 2 here multiple. This multiple is going to set out a parent 1. That is x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Okay, so it is non-algebraic identity expression. So how we can find the factors? How we can find the roots? How we can find the zeros? Okay, by using factorization method. So here x quotient is how much? 1. So here how much you can get? 306. So here x quotient 1 into 306 somewhere. 306. So what are the factors? 1 into 306, 2 into 153, next 3 into 102, next 4th table not divide, 5 4 7 job, okay, next 6 651, next 7 not divisible, next 8 8 3 job not divisible, next 11 not divisible, 12 2 job not divisible, 13 it is also not divisible, 14 not divisible, 15 not divisible, 16 not divisible, 17. So 17 1 ja 17. Okay, what the remainder? 13. Even 136. 17 8 ja. Okay, 17 18 ja. 17 18 ja. How much mark? 306. So here what the question? X square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. Here x square quotient is how much? 1. So which one? Plus 1. Okay, if you want plus 1 means here the two factors we can do that subtract. Okay, 18 minus 17 how much? Plus 1. Okay, so x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 we can write as 17 into 18 is equal to 0. So in these two what are the common? X. So x of x plus 18. In these two what are the common? Minus 17. So minus 17 is taking outside. What is remaining? X plus 18 is equal to 0. Minus 17 into x. Minus 17x. Minus 17 plus 18. So minus into plus minus. So total what is the common? X plus 18 of x minus 17 is equal to 0. So here the product of two polynomials is 0. Either first polynomial is 0 or second polynomial is 0 or both polynomials are 0. So x plus 18 is equal to 0. X minus 17 is equal to 0. Plus 18 is going to the side of minus 18. Minus 17 is going to the side of plus 17. So here we can get as negative integer and positive integer. But here what the question? Find two consecutive positive integer. Consecutive positive integer. So here we take that 17. Okay, so the positive integer is 17. Its consecutive positive integer how much? 17 plus 1 that is equal to how much? 18. So what are the two consecutive positive integer? 17 and 18. Next one. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. Okay, hypotenuse means what? The side which is opposite to 90 degrees. Right triangle means in a triangle one angle is 90 degrees, remaining two angles are acute. Okay, so it is a right triangle. Okay, here the right angle is there. The side which is opposite to 90 degrees, this side is called hypotenuse. Okay, altitude means here what the given question? The altitude of a right triangle. Altitude means what? A line is joining from vertex to opposite line segment. Meet at one point. The angle is how much? 90 degrees. Okay, this is called what? Altitude. You know what? Altitude. Okay, so 90, the side which is opposite 90 degrees, that is called what? Hypotenuse. Okay, now what the given question? Okay, it is the altitude, it is the base. Okay, altitude means what? A line which is joining from vertex to opposite line segment, meet at one point. The angle is how much? 90 degrees. Okay, the opposite line segment is called what? Base. Okay, this line is called what? Altitude. The side which is opposite 90 degrees, that is called hypotenuse. Okay, now what is the given question? The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. So here let us take we don't know the base, that is x. Okay, what is the question? Altitude of a right triangle. So this one is 7 centimeter less than the base. So what is the base? X. Less than means minus. How much less than? 7. Okay, so next they given that hypotenuse. Hypotenuse how much they given that? 13. Okay, find the other two sides. Other two sides is what? Base and altitude. Okay, now so how we can find the other two sides? Okay, so let us take base of right triangle is x centimeter. Okay, given that altitude of a triangle right triangle is x minus 7 centimeter. So what the condition mark? The altitude of a triangle is 7 centimeter less than the base. Okay, next hypotenuse is how much they given that 13 centimeter. So how you can find the two sides? By using Pythagoras theorem. So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse side square is equal side square plus side square. So here what is the hypotenuse? 13. Okay, so here let us take triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. So by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse side square is equal sum of remaining two side square. So here what is the hypotenuse? AC. AC square is equal AB square plus BC square. So AC length is how much? 13. 13 square is equal x minus 7 whole square plus x square. So 13 square is how much? 169 is equal x minus 7 whole square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is x square minus 2ab. 2 into x into 7. That is 14x plus b square. That is 7 square. 49 plus x square. So here we can use the formula a minus b whole square. A is how much? X. B is how much? 7. So a minus b whole square. That is a square minus 2ab. ab means a into b. X into 7 plus b square. 7 square. 49. Okay, ma. X square plus x square is how much? 2x square. Okay, plus 169 comes this out minus. So 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal 0. 13 square 169. Okay, so 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 minus 120 is equal 0. In this total, what is the common? 2x square, 2 into x square, 14, 2 7 ja, 120, 260 ja. Okay, so 2 of x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal 0. Here 2 here multiple. This 2 is going to divide. So x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal 0 by 2. 0 by anything 0. So x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal 0. So it is non-algebraic identity expression. How you can find the factors? By using factorization method. X square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. It is non-algebraic identity expression. So we can do that. X square quotient is how much? There is no quotient. What is that? 1. Constant 16. So 1 into 16, 16. So what are the factors? 1 60 ja, 2 30 ja, 3 20 ja, 4 15 ja, 5 12 ja, 5 12 ja, 6 10 ja. Okay. Next 10 6 ja. Okay, ma. Okay. So in these factors, you take any two factor, their sum or subtraction is become x quotient. Here x quotient is how much? Minus 7. So which factor you take? You get the minus 7. Here 5 minus 12. 5 minus 12 is how much? Minus 7. 5 into 12. 5 12 ja 60. So here x square plus 5x minus 12x. In the place of 7x, we can write as plus 5x minus 12x. Minus 60 is equal to 0. So in these two, what are the common? X. So x of x plus 5. Minus 12x. Minus 12 into x. 60. 12 5 ja. So in these two, what are the common? Minus 12. Okay, so minus 12 is taking outside. What are the remaining? X plus 5. Okay, so minus 12 into x. Minus 12x. Minus 12 into plus 5, minus 60. So in this total, what are the common? X plus 5. So x plus 5 is taking outside. What are the remaining? X minus 12 is equal to 0. So the product of two polynomials is 0 when first polynomial is 0 or second polynomial is 0 or both. Okay, so x plus 5 is equal 0, x minus 12 is equal 0. Plus 5 is going to happen minus 5, minus 12 is going to happen plus 12. So here x is negative, here x is positive. So the base is always positive. So therefore the base of a triangle, base of a right triangle is how much more? 12 centimeter. Altitude is how much? X minus 7, that is equal 12 minus 7, that is equal 5 centimeter. The altitude of a right triangle is how much more? 5 centimeter. Next one. Find the dimensions of a triangle whose perimeter is 28 meter and whose area is 40 meter square. Okay, find the dimensions of a rectangle whose perimeter. Dimensions means what? Measurement. Okay, rectangle measure చేసేటి ఏముంటాయమ్మా? Length and breadth. Dimensions means what ma? The measurement. Okay, it's called what? Dimension. See here, what is the measurement? Length and breadth. So what is called length? The side which is occupying more place, that is called length. The side which is occupying less place, that is called breadth. This is the length, this is the breadth. Okay, so to find the dimensions of the rectangle. Dimensions means what here? Length and breadth. Okay, whose rectangle? Okay, whose perimeter is 28? Perimeter means what? Sum of all sides of a closed curve is called a perimeter. Here how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, length, length, breadth, breadth. So the perimeter of a rectangle is how much? 2r L plus B. Okay, next, and whose area is 40 meter square. Okay, area of rectangle formula is what? L into B. Okay, so here solution now. Let us take length of a rectangle is x meter, breadth of a rectangle is y meter. So whose perimeter? That means rectangle perimeter. Okay, so given perimeter of a rectangle is how much they given that? 28 meter. So perimeter of a rectangle formula is what? 2r L plus B. 2 times of length plus breadth. Okay, is equal 28. So 2r length how much? X plus y is equal 28. Here 2 here multiple. This 2 is going to right side what happen? Divide. X plus y is equal 28 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 14 ja. So x plus y is equal how much more? 14 meter. X plus y is equal 14 meter. Next, what they given that? Whose area? Whose means what here? Rectangle area. So area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is how much? 40 meter square. So what the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Yeah, so that is x into y is equal 40 meter square. Okay, ma'am. Plus x is going to happen minus here. So that is y is equal 14 minus x. So in the place of y we can substitute that 4 minus x. So y value substitute in x into y is equal 14 meter square. X into y 40 meter square. So here x of y 14 minus x is equal 40. So x into 14 14x, x into x x square is equal 40. So these two is going to happen, changes their places. 0 is equal that signs mark 40 minus 14x plus x square. Okay, so we can write in arrange in a order x square minus 14x plus 40 is equal 0. Okay, it is non-algebraic identity expression. x square minus 14x plus 40 is equal to 0. It is non-algebraic identity expression. Okay, x square quotient is how much? 1. Constant is how much? 40. So 1 into 40, 40. So what are the factors? 140 ja, 220 ja, so 5 8 ja, next 8 5 ja, 4 10 ja, 10 4 ja, 22 ja. Okay, so in these factors, we take any two factors, their sum or subtraction is become x quotient. Here x quotient is how much? 14. Which 14? Minus 14. So 14 రావాలంటే ఎలా చేయాలమ్మా? Minus 4 minus 10. Okay, minus 4 minus 10, that is equal to minus 14. Minus 4 into minus 10 is how much? Plus 40. Okay guys, here x square minus 4x minus 10x plus 40 is equal to 0. So in these two, what are the common? In these two, what are the common? X square, x into x, 4x, 4 into x. So x of x minus 4, here 10x minus 10x, here 40, 10 4 jump. Okay, minus 10 is taken outside, that is x minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 10 into x, minus 10x, minus 10 into minus 4 plus 40. So total x minus 4 of x minus 10 is equal to 0. So the product of two polynomials is 0. Either first polynomial 0 or second polynomial 0 or both polynomials are 0. So that is x minus 4 is equal to 0, x minus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 4 is going to result in plus, minus 10 is going to result in plus 10. Okay, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 10. Okay now, so here what they are asking that find the dimensions of a rectangle. Okay, so here by using okay, when you do that perimeter, we can get the values x plus y is equal how much? 14. Okay, if x is equal to 4, okay, that means the length is 4, then the breadth is 4 plus y is equal 14. Y is equal 14 minus 4, that is equal, y is equal to how much ma? 10. So length is 4, breadth is 10. Next, if x is equal to 10, then y is equal 14 minus x, that is equal 14 minus 10, that is equal 4. So the length is 10, the breadth is 4. So these are the dimensions.